Hi, this is Todd Baker, your certified mortgage planner. And in this edition of Todd Talks, September 16, 2022, I want to share with you a solution to a common concern I've heard all week from my realtor partners. It's one that we're all well aware of, and that's the fear and lack of confidence in the marketplace with buyers and what to do to get them to engage. Because right now is actually one of the best times to buy. There's just options for them there. They're not going to be there even probably in 6 months. So we've developed a product called Lock and Shop. What it does is this: you send the buyers over, we certify them, which means I underwrite them up front, and that makes them eligible to lock in an interest rate now and then shop. So they already have their rate, they're protected from any rate increases. And then once you're under contract, we're allowed to float that down if the market's improved. And I have a rate protection program where, let's say you close on a house and then within 6 months or so rates improve, we can do a free refinance for them. No one else has that product. And this is going to help you generate more buyer leads and give them the confidence to purchase now. Second thing I want to talk about today is I want to go over all the attachments. These are the Keeping Current Matters I send out each week. It's unbranded attachments for you to use to help you grow your business. Let's go over them real briefly. There's some great language for real time this week to use with your buyers and sellers. So the first one is getting your house ready to sell. This is a great article for you to share with potential sellers on how to get their house ready. And it's also just a good refresher for yourself to look at, let them know the market shifted. You can't just list your house and expect it to sell. You need to stand out. And it talks about which renovation projects would be the ones that are the most beneficial to get the best price. The second one this week are 3 things buyers can do in today's housing market. And if you look, talks about 3 areas. Number 1, expand your search area criteria, right? So that's our sort of an obvious one, but it's something to just refresh your memory to do that. Explore alternative financing options. So this is sort of a big one. So we have at Service First, we have what's called non-QM products. What that means is we have products that are available for people that maybe didn't fit in the bucket at Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. We have bank statement loans, and we call it the near miss. So if you've got someone that was maybe didn't qualify for a loan, but it seems like they're a pretty strong buyer, let me know. We can take a second look at them as well. Also, the article talks about down payment assistance programs, which we actually have at Service First available for you for all the programs. So that's something we're utilizing a lot right now as well. Okay, so the next one, buyers are regaining some of their negotiating power in today's market. And so, one of the things, to sort of, in addition to the lock and shop, we have the return of contingencies. We have inspections are becoming a thing again, right? So we can now negotiate after inspections. Sellers are willing to cooperate with closing costs. And guys, did a video last week. Right now, you can pretty much ask for a concession in almost every transaction and get it. And in addition to the lock and shop, I can use that concession to either cut the cash to close significantly for your buyer, or I can buy their rate down and they can have a really low payment. And that's another reason to give the buyers confidence to do so. So there's so read through this article and know that there's some great information to share with your buyers. And last one, is the real estate market slowing down, or is this a housing bubble? So take a look at this one. This is great information for people that are worried. Once again, it goes to the buyers and really sellers too, but more buyers, is the reality of the shift in today's housing market. So the supply and demand ratio, look how it's changed. Showings are down by 16.8%. Active listings are up by 26.6%. Those are year-over-year comparisons. And now these are macroeconomic numbers, but they're going to be reflective pretty much in most of the local markets. And then here's what experts are now saying. So this is a forecast for 2023, which we've seen for the first time. And we looked at Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, MBA, that's Mortgage Bankers Association, NAR, and then there's Zelman here. There's one that thought it was going to go down a little bit, but the average is still 2.5%. So that still indicates a deceleration of price increase and not really a housing bubble. The other thing, guys, I can tell you right now, we work with a lot of builders. They are stopping building. They're going to run out of inventory next summer, and we're going to be in a very acute inventory shortage again. So right now, well, between now and February, when the number of buyers are traditionally and historically lower, this is the opportunity to go out and get those buyers that weren't able to buy over the last 8 months. Make sure you're using that to prospect. Let's connect one-on-one if you need some help building your business, and I hope you have a great day.